Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of what? Jeryl's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken chow mein. So if you have not done so, please let me know if you like my video by giving me a thumbs up, like and share, turn on your post notification. Why? So you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's start cooking. So this is what I'll be using. I have about 3 chicken breasts that I washed with lime juice and vinegar and cut in small strips. We have some yellow bell peppers and carrots, scallion, cabbage, a little ketchup, garlic, ginger and pepper and some thyme sprigs, sugar, cornstarch, cabbage, the white part of the scallion and some pak choy. Here I also have soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder and salt. I also have some instant noodles. So I'm going to start by blanching my noodles for about 2 minutes. So we're going to submerge them in some iced water. Just for about 2 minutes. We don't want them to be overcooked. So this is the reason why I'm putting them in the cold water. Want them to get really dry. So guys, now I'm just draining them. So I'm just now putting them on a tray just to dry out a little bit more. So I'll be making the sauce for the chow mein. I'm using about 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, cayenne pepper, and some sesame oil. Black pepper, a little more dark soy sauce, and some sugar. Salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, And this one is cornstarch. So remember to taste your food so you can always adjust your seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my sauce to this. So I will cover this and allow it to marinate for about 20 minutes. All right, see you soon. So guys, now that my chicken is marinated, I'm going in with about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. So I'm just stirring so it's cooked evenly, and this will take about 10 minutes to cook. We don't want a raw chicken, right? No, we don't. So I'm going with some more oil, some more vegetable oil. And go ahead and saute my carrots and yellow bell pepper. I'm not gonna do this till it's very soft because we want some crunchy veggies, okay? I'm gonna push it to the side. I'm gonna go in with some cabbage now. Put it to one side and go in with the garlic, thyme, and ginger. This is some scallion, the white part of the scallion. And this is some pak choy. So the pak choy is optional. You can mix and match. Just use up whatever veggies you have in your fridge. I'm gonna go in with the sauce. So guys, if you like my video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye guys.